Hello. Uh, Today I'm going to show you how to create a variable product in WordPress. Uh, Here you can show this is a simple product, and now we're going to make how into a variable product. So we need to first log in with our admin panel in WordPress. Just simply type process name and type WP just for admin. Enter the username and login. Okay. This is WordPress admin panel. Uh, Here you can manage all the products, whole WooCommerce product. You can add new product by clicking this button. We have already added many products, so right now I want to edit this product because we're going to add variation in this product. So I edit this product. So here is the whole detail about the product. This is title area. This is description. Description will show uh, under the product page in a description area. Then here set all the product data like price, regular price, sales price. Here we can add the images for the product, and this part for product gallery images. Uh, we add product gallery in the backend side, then images will be shown here in this part. Now we will try to go add product galleries. We just simply add 2 to 3 images. Now update the project and let's see what's happening. Just update product and refresh this page. Okay. Now you can show the gallery images will be shown here. Okay, this is all the detail for simple. Now we need to convert into variable product. So we can add uh, color for it, many colors. So we just select in the drop down box variable product and go to attribute and choose the attribute like color, size, whatever. So we select colors and add the attribute variable. Okay. So we need to select colors. Like I want to, I have this product in blue color, green color, and red color also. So I add blue color, green, and red. Then tick mark this box. Use for variation. So we can add the variations for these colors and click on the save attributes. Okay, we have successfully saved attributes. Now go to variations and load all attribute. Actually, we have created. Click OK. Three variation added because we have added three colors. So here the message will show three variable address. So here show all variants like blue, green, and red. We have added three colors. So first blue color. We need to add images for blue color. So this is trying to add images for blue color. We are set this product for blue color and set the price. $18 and sell price $1,000 and sell price $18. And we need to set manual price for India country. Here discussion is price for India, set price manually if required. Suppose we want to sell this product in 20,000. Sorry, the regular price is 20,000 and we need to sell it in 15,000. So we can add regular price and sell price. So whenever you can open this website from India, then price will be so like this. Otherwise, regular price will be so 1,000 rupees and sales price $800. Okay. We have successfully set for blue color. Now same thing want to do again for green color. Okay. Set this images for blue color. And for regular price for this product, sell price $90. Price for India, regular $25 and sell price $20. Okay. Now do again same thing for red color. This is red product, red color. Red color. This is $1,200. Sales price $100. Here you can set the description like red color, whatever actually. Price for India 25,000. You can set it manually, whatever you want. Okay, we have successfully added for data in variable files. Now we need to save the changes. After successfully save the changes, just update the product. And open the front side of the product. refresh this page. Okay, now the option is showing here like color. We have added three colors over here, so showing three colors: blue, green, and red. We have added three colors for this product: blue, green, and red. So here show blue, green, and red. So whenever we just click on the blue color, then price will be so like 15,000, because we have added price 15,000 for the blue color in India, and we are right now showing this website from India location, so price show like 15,000. Otherwise price will be so like 18,000, $18. If I click on the green color box, then price will be so like $20,000. Click on the red, price will be changed as per we mentioned in the backend. And here is the image show for the red color. If I click on the green color, then image will be show. We have set it in the backend. Blue for blue image. Okay, so this is the variable product managed with the color option. You can add new product. Click on this button, or in the backend side you can click on the add new button and create new product, and also set all the details as per we have created. Thank you.